welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about the table function in R. The table function gives counts of numeric and categorical data. In the numeric case, if you have only integer values, it will give you the number of threes in the data, for example. If you have categories, it will simply give you the count of each categorical level. The only required argument is a factor. If you want a contingency table, then you'll have to provide it two factors to match up the categories. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start. So in the case of giving it one factor, I want to sample from the binomial distribution. First argument is n, how many times I want to sample. I'm going to go ahead and say 10,000. The size, I want to do 5 coin flips. And I'm going to make the probability of success 0.6. With this, I know that the most likely value will be 3. And if I do table, we see that the most likely value is 3. So about 1/3 of the time, we got 3 heads and the distribution tails off. If we want, we could feed that into a bar plot. The bar plot, that table data, x, and we see the same thing. 3 has the highest bar. And also, if you want to get mode, there is no built-in mode function, but you can use the table function as a substitute. I'm actually going to use the base R pipe here. So x table, and then do a few more pipes. I want the maximum value, and if I stop here, I won't quite get the answer I want. I'll get 3, 4, which really isn't what we want. We want that 3, that's the named value, and that 4 simply tells us the index. But if we go back and do one more pipe, name, and that just extracts that name, and we get 3. So we know the mode is 3. Okay, and now I'm going to make a contingency table. I'm going to go ahead and clear my console. I can do that and clear my variable. Not that I intend to do X again. Okay, so player. I'm going to say back to ball. And I'm going to make 10 of them. And I'm going to do another wrap function. And it's going to be baseball. And I want 10 of them. Okay. We now have a vector of length 20. And it's going to be 10 basketball and 10 baseball. Now I'm going to do height. And I'm just going to randomly sample. So my string is tall, comma, short. And I need to tell it a few things. I need to tell it how many to take. 20. And because I want to sample more than I have, more than these 2 elements, I need to replace. So I need to say true. And I'm going to leave the probability the same, 50-50. Okay? Then I have a vector of what the players play and their height. So I'm going to do table, players, comma, height. And we see how many baseball players are short, how many baseball players are tall, how many basketball players are short and tall. If I wanted this to be more realistic, I'd tweak the probability to make the basketball players taller. Although it just happened to be the case that there's more tall basketball players. Okay. So, as always, I have another example on my website, thatswithall.com. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.